Having trouble hearing your workout stats on your Apple Watch? Here are the common reasons why workout announcements might fail in watchOS 26. First, disabled announce notifications for the workout app can prevent announcements. Second, voice feedback turned off in workout settings will silence the stats. Third, no active internet connection means Siri can't generate speech for announcements. Fourth, Siri not enabled or configured correctly on both Watch and iPhone blocks announcements. Fifth, audio routing issues like AirPods connected to iPhone instead of the Watch cause audio to play incorrectly. Sixth, low workout volume or haptic settings make announcements inaudible. Seventh, temporary software bugs or Bluetooth connectivity problems can interrupt the feature. To fix silent workout announcements, make sure Announce Notifications is enabled for the workout app. On your Apple Watch, go to Settings, Notifications, Announce Notifications. Turn it on. This ensures your watch speaks workout progress updates instead of just displaying silent alerts. Next, confirm that voice feedback is enabled within the workout settings. On your Apple Watch, navigate to Settings, then Workout, and finally Voice Feedback, then toggle it on. You can also access this setting via the Watch app on your paired iPhone. Open the Watch app, go to My Watch tab, then Workout, and enable voice feedback there. This feature provides spoken feedback and encouragement during your workouts, which is essential for hearing announcements about your progress. Fix 3. Confirm active internet connection. Workout announcements rely on Siri and require an active internet connection to generate speech in real time. Without internet, Siri cannot convert workout data into spoken alerts. Option 1. Connect your Apple Watch directly to Wi-Fi or cellular. This ensures the watch has its own internet access during workouts. Check the control center to confirm Wi-Fi is enabled, as shown in this image, where the Wi-Fi button is highlighted blue. You can also enable cellular data on the watch for internet access when Wi-Fi is unavailable. Option 2. Keep your paired iPhone nearby. The watch can use the iPhone's internet connection through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi tethering. On your iPhone, enable Personal Hotspot to share its internet connection with the watch. Connect the watch to the hotspot Wi-Fi network using the password shown on the iPhone. This provides reliable internet for workout announcements. Siri powers the voice notifications for workout announcements. First, on your iPhone, go to Settings, then Siri and Search. Enable options like Listen for Hey Siri and Allow Siri when locked. This ensures Siri can respond even when your phone is locked. For your Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to Siri Settings, and enable Listen for Hey Siri, Raise to Speak, and press Digital Crown. This allows Siri to work directly on your watch. If Siri isn't set up yet, follow the on-screen prompts to enable Hey Siri, which is necessary for hands-free activation during workouts. If you're using AirPods, make sure they're connected directly to your Apple Watch, not your iPhone. When AirPods connect via iPhone, announcements play on the watch speaker only, making them difficult to hear. To fix this, open Control Center on your Apple Watch. Then tap the AirPlay icon and select your AirPods for direct connection. A direct connection routes audio correctly, ensuring your workout announcements are clear and audible through your AirPods. Low volume or muted sounds can prevent you from hearing workout announcements. During your workout, use the digital crown to increase the volume. Also, check Settings, Greater Than Sounds and Haptics, to ensure alert volumes and haptic strength are set appropriately. Adjusting these settings ensures notifications are easily perceptible. If all other fixes have failed, it's time to restart your devices. Start with a normal restart on both your iPhone and Apple Watch. For a normal restart on your iPhone, hold the power button and slide to power off, then turn it back on. For the Apple Watch, press and hold the side button and slide to power off. If a normal restart doesn't resolve the issue, perform a hard reboot on your Apple Watch. Press and hold both the digital crown and the side button simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Release the buttons once you see the logo, and the device will restart automatically. This hard reboot refreshes the system processes that may have become stalled, which can restore your workout announcement functionality. Thanks for watching.